Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A.
On this episode of Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A, I am getting my Honda Express SR registered and tagged. It was my first time registering any type of vehicle, so I was a bit nervous. I got my ticket, waited, then soon after got called upon. It cost me about $160 to $200 to register the Blue Angel. I decided to wash my Blue Angel before putting on the new tag. I felt like I was putting a collar on my pet.
Your hand in mine, transparent. I feel the warmth, yet it's apparent. Cannot resemble the time wasted. Forever is not real. Forever is not real. Can I be a dimensional bandit? Sadness assassin, fascinated by touching the masses. My words molasses, slowly sipping into soul's. How will this unfold? I'm told life is what you make it. Have patience, don't be late. All these faces, can we make it? I fainted in the dining room, swore I saw your face. My drink isn't laced. Memories of late night talks, fat bones, peering through the present as if it were the past. Is it not gonna last? Too clever for that. Assassinate uncertainty and make my dream reality. Fuck this negativity. Open my eyes, it's you. If you're a mirage, let me be one too. I'm a fool, I play it cool. Underneath, I'm just like you. You never know a good thing till it's gone. Write this off, these words go haunt. Wistful feelings are all wrong. If this is reality, I'll grasp it entirely. Audiovisual insanity, how can it be? You were always right in front of me. I never took the time to see the ghost of past, present, and future. Here to reap what I sowed. Have you heard? Sadness passes, so does happiness. Memories never fade. We are all jade. We are all jade. We are all jade.
It's official now. I am the owner of this Honda NX50. Got my plate on. Yo, on the road. What's up? Mystix on the road. On the next episode of Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A, follow me as I check out and purchase the new Mystix tour van. Hey, one last thing. I created a Patreon to help get Vintage Cruis'n U.S.A on the road faster so I can give you more varied content. There are rewards for each donation, and I will be sharing more info on my current projects to my patrons there. Thanks for watching.
Your
Mystix
hand
out.